I'm going to show you how to replace hood or trunk shocks. Quick and easy way. All you do is you pop this clip off here, like that, and then you do the bottom one. So once you take the old one out, you put the new one in. It's got its clips there. Just snap it. You snap it there. Then you run a piece of mechanics wire on the bolt that's to the trunk. You wrap it like so, so you can compress the piston. Because if you try to do it manually, this little hydraulic cylinder shocks are very strong. So once you get it compressed with the mechanics wire here, and then you cut the other end and cut it all up, and she's all done.